have a MacBook Pro 2017 sent to us for backlight issues. So from a client who sent the board all the way from Lagos. So this issue is a backlight issue, though we have the motherboard sent to us as well. But from the diagram and the video of it, we saw that we have some water damage within this circuit, and everything that has to do with this circuit are backlight. So since we have an error already existing here, so this error must be corrected before we can start reading for the backlight issue. So looking at it now, you see that we have a damage on the light itself. We have damage on the light itself, and from the flex view, the board view, from the board view, this resistor 3771 I think is the one that is damaged here, and also this capacitor, which is C8411. I believe these two, when we change these two, we'll now have a clear view to read what is happening. So keep watching after we've changed those chips to see the result first. Okay, we have good day. We have 2017 MacBook Pro here, A2000840. In this board, the customer complained of backlight issue. So when we open the motherboard to do physical inspection, we're able to identify that the coil is being damaged. The capacitor is also damaged. We have U3770 also damaged on the system. So from the back of the motherboard, Q8400 is also burnt. So we now replace Q8400, replace U3770, and also we now replace L8410, which is the coil. So here, these are the chips removed on this motherboard. This is the coil. This is Q8400. This is the Q8400, and also U3770 was replaced from this donor board here. Replace it from this donor board. This is U3770. This is U3770. This is Q84. This is Q8400. So we replace both, and the coil also, which is L8410. So after we've done that, we have to put the system to test to confirm if what we did was actually working. Okay, the system is up from the DC machine. Now from our charge control, you can see 17.5. Simply means that the power is on the system now. So let's see if we have a display. Okay, we have a display. We have a display on the motherboard. This is from the screen. This is from the screen. Okay, so when you encounter anything that has to do with backlight issue on 2017 MacBook, this controller here is responsible for backlight on anything that has to do with 2017 MacBook Pro. So keep watching and keep subscribing to the channel for more upload. Thank you.